This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon.
The role and the requirement in this industry of a consultancy is $1 billion firm. As simple as that is what I can state it. Because companies like McKinsey, it might be Bain, these are the companies which are actually ruling the market. We still believe, frankly speaking, India is not matured enough to understand the word consultancy. Because for us, the word consultancy means is expensive. So we have not understood the word actually how consulting can make the difference to the business. So we believe that anything I know, I can advise. So am I a consultant? No, that's not how the work, that's not how industry works as it. So why I said there's a huge scope, let me take it this way. Alok, can you just throw a number about how many companies are there in India?
So I think there are about 16 to 17 lakh companies which are registered as per the MCA.
So around 17 lakh companies are there. And partnership firm, it touches 1.5 crore. And in fact, they're trying to give a number stating that 52 million companies in India, in other terms, I can say around 5.5 crore companies in India are only SMEs. I'm not talking about the bigger scale. I'm not talking about, all-time big companies. So even the smallest scale, only SMEs, there's a record of 52 million. And I'm talking about when I started. And today we have touched almost around 75 million companies. Add to that around 7.5 crore SMEs. Now for 7.
So basically you're saying there are around 7 crore or 7.5 crore different businesses in India.
Correct.
Okay.
So many such ventures are there in India under the bracket of only SME, which they are able to assess and get it into picture. The number is even mind-blowing, which we are not able to touch. So 7.5 crore SMEs are there in India. And I'll give surprising stats. I initially told you the word 78%. 78% of that 7.5 crore companies are bleeding. This is the open statistics which is available with SMEs industry. MSME industry, if you are able to score, it means 80% of those 7.5 crore companies are at losses. Why are they at loss? That's exactly where you'll be able to come in as a management consultant. So if you're able to look at it, 80% of the companies are at loss. That's one area. Second, India is known to be one of the big I startup area. If you look at Asia is one of those fastest growing startup companies or hub. And in Asia, Bangalore is one of the startup hub, or Karnataka seems to be Bangalore. So it's actually juggling and growing very fast. And it is going to be one of the Silicon City of the world. If that is the case, if you look at it, in last 2 years, more than 60,000 companies have registered. Imagine about other companies. And to the scale what it is growing, the surprising fact is within first 5 years, 92% of the companies which are getting incorporated are getting shut. On one side, 80% of SMEs are at losses. On the other side, the startups are failing. That is 92% of startups are failing in first 5 years. Now you can understand 9/10 of the industry is having a trouble. On the other side, if you look at management consultant, you can find top management consultant. If I can say top 5,000 management consultant, you can hardly find any. So in India, we have consultant. The word consultant, you can find 1,000. The word management consultant, you can find hardly 5,000. A CS being a management consultant, you can hardly find between 100 to 500. So I'm talking about 9/10, as good as crores of companies, and between 100 to 500 are the management consultants in the market in the name of CS. So that's as low as 0.00001% is what I'm talking. So that's a scale at which market is open for you to be a management consultant. Unfortunately, people are not dying.
So when we talk about numbers, the real picture gets revealed. And I think what Shantanu just shared is really massive. In fact, it's even news to me. I was really not aware of such a huge gap. Obviously, I knew the gap was there, but not such a huge gap. So the message to anyone seeing this, especially students, should be that if you have the desire to be a management consultant, and if you get trained, it is not just that I want to be management consultant and you finish CS, nobody's going to call you and tell you to be a consultant. It takes a lot of experience. Even Shantanu was sharing. It was not that day one he started his own company. He worked in different companies. He was a director. He was in management role, and his experience of CS helped him. Finally, he started his own company where he's dealing with multiple clients in different sectors. So the message is very clear to all the students. The opportunity is massive. you being a company secretary, you'll give that unique angle. And like Shantan said, there won't even be 100 or 500 in entire India who is doing management consulting. And some of the figures he was telling about Bangalore, Karnataka. But when you look at whole of India, it is even much huger. And SME sectors usually suffer where they don't get the best of consultants, and the opportunity is really huge. And I'm sure all of you will be aware of it and explore it.